Hello, students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We are continuing our ancient history series by looking at the Zhou Dynasty. Don't forget that there's a link for a fill in the blank worksheet in the description. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize for any mispronunciations ahead of time. I do my best. Now, let's roll. Around 1050 BCE, a group called the Zhou overthrew the Shang ruler. The Zhou established a new dynasty in China. The Zhou ruled for about 800 years. Rise and fall of the Zhou. Over time, Shang rulers in China became corrupt. This led to their overthrow by the Zhou. The new leaders of the Zhou dynasty declared that their success proved that they had heaven's support. In their view, heaven was the highest force of nature that gave dynasties the right to rule. The Zhou called this right to rule the mandate of heaven. Under this traditional Chinese idea, if the ruler acted virtuously, there would be harmony between heaven and earth. Uprisings and natural disasters were seen as possible omens that a dynasty had lost the mandate of heaven. Within a few hundred years after taking power, the Zhou, in fact, did seem to lose the mandate of heaven. Weak Zhou rulers battled foreign invaders and unhappy nobles. The battles led to an era of chaos and conflict known as the Warring States period. It finally led to the downfall of the Zhou and many years of disorder. Zhou society. The Zhou adopted much of Shang culture. The Zhou did, however, give more power to individual states and the nobles who led them. These nobles were expected to serve the king and raise armies to support him. The ancient Chinese put a high value on family, and society demanded that people show loyalty to their families. Zhou advances included the use of iron to make stronger, more effective weapons and tools. The Zhou also used irrigation and fertilizer to increase crop production. They introduced the use of coins, which made trade across the empire easier. The writings of Zhou thinkers, especially those in the Warring States period, became the foundation of much of Chinese thought for centuries. And now, it is recap time. Around 1050 BCE, the Zhou kicked out the Shang rulers and set up a dynasty that lasted about 8 centuries, claiming they ruled with heaven's approval in what they called the Mandate of Heaven, which basically meant that if rulers behaved, the world stayed peaceful, and if it did not, people figured heaven was sending a cosmic hint. Over time, the Zhou lost their grip, faced grumpy nobles and invading neighbors, and slid into the wonderfully named Warring States period, but they still made big contributions by valuing family loyalty, empowering local nobles, improving farming with irrigation and fertilizer, using iron for sturdier tools and weapons, inventing coins to boost trade, and producing thinkers whose ideas shaped Chinese thought for ages. There you have it, folks. That is the Zhou Dynasty nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons for me. Okay, I'll see y'all next time on Nutshelled History.